Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese Hashweh rice. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so to make Hashweh, we're going to start with one brown onion. So slice through the middle, and we just want to dice this. Now it doesn't have to be too fine, but obviously don't go too coarse either. Alright, so next we're going to go to our stove and just into a small pot, we're going to add around 2 tablespoons of oil. And just on a low to medium heat, we're going to add in our onions. And all we're doing with our onions is just very lightly cooking them, just to give them just a touch of colour and soften them. Next we'll add around 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves. Then we're going to add half a kilo of beef mince. And all we want to do at this point is just very lightly brown our meat. Now we're going to season with half a tablespoon of salt, about half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of ground allspice, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. Now we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of pine nuts. And next we're going to add in 1 cup of long grain rice. In the past I've used jasmine rice, which turns out well, but that really comes down up to you. Mix that through. And we'll add in about 3 tablespoons of salted butter. And top this all up with about 2 cups of cold water. Now we'll give this all a quick mix, make sure it's combined. Just like so. And we'll put the lid on, put our stove at a low to medium heat. We just want to let this simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now under no circumstances take the lid off. When you're using the absorption method of cooking rice, it's very important to keep all that steam in. So what we'll do, we'll come and check on it in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so we're at the 15-minute mark now. As you can see, we're getting a little bit of steam. Now the easiest way to tell if it's cooked, just hold the lid down. And as you can see, there's not much liquid movement in there. So all the liquid has been absorbed. So what I'm going to do now is just turn the heat off, but leave the lid on. Because there's enough steam in there, just let it cook for that additional few minutes. There's no point taking the lid off now and ruining it. And then we can serve. Alright, so what we're going to do now is just take the lid off. And just look how beautiful that looks. Just give it a quick stir. So obviously we can see it's completely cooked all the way through. So let's serve. And just how beautiful does that look? Just beautiful individual grains. And that's all there is to it. So as a serving suggestion, you can have this on its own, but it does go well with anything, especially meats. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.